Gaza Strip, Israeli army injures 59 Palestinians. Israeli jet strike Hamas observation post in Gaza. Turkey's Erdogan, safe zone in Syria most livable. ISIS confirms death of al-Baghdadi. UN says 94,000 Syrians have returned to their homes. US resumes patrol at oil reservoir in northeast Syria. Iraqi government not serious to stop violence, right groups. 2 Saudi soldiers killed near Yemen border. German Muslims feel unsafe amid mounting Islamophobia. Armed attack kills 53 soldiers in Mali. Afghanistan, 6 children killed in roadside blast. Pakistan's opposition gives premier 2 days to resign.